Miss Sophie Entrada!
Paano napili Miss Ana, this question, paano napili si Miss Ana o si Shuvi as the perfect first celebrity ambassador for this product?
Honestly, nung naghahanap talaga kami ng perfect face for Annalie, I'm not just looking for a pretty face, kasi halos lahat naman sila sa industry talagang magaganda. But I'm looking for someone who really represents the message of Annalie, which embodies the confidence, the energy, empowered, and nakita ko lahat yon kay Shuvi. Plus the fact that she's very humble. Nung nasa loob siya ng bahay ni Kuya, I was able to see her up close also nung nakapasok kami sa loob. And mas lalo siyang nag-shine dun sa morena skin niya. Super gandang-ganda kami ni RJ sa balat niya. Na talagang nagko-complement sa beauty niya. Diba? She embodies a modern, she represents the modern Filipina. And yung Ana Eats Perfect, Shuvi Entrata as being yung kanyang unstoppable energy na hindi ko masabayan. Pero dati nung bata-bata ako, ganyan din ang energy ko. Ay, time's up! May ganon.
Because Miss Ana, this product, ano yung specifics for this product na naging perfect for Shuvi?
Well, Ana E kasi is not just a beauty vitamin. Though it's known as a beauty vitamin, but with Ana E, yung message na we wanted to deliver is that when you take Ana E, you will feel not just beautiful inside, but empowered as well. So with Shuvi, kahit sobrang dami niyang ganap, sobrang busy, kita nyo naman, talagang dumadating siya kahit walang tulog. And nung nakakwentuhan ko siya during the shoot, sabi ko, nagpapahinga ka pa ba? May tulog ka pa ba? Sabi niya, sa totoo lang, Miss Ana, wala. Parang sa sasakyan na lang siya natutulog kapag pupunta in between sa mga locations kung saan siya may ganap. But I like her energy, I like yung determination niya, na sinabi niya talaga sa akin, Miss Ana, talagang strike while the iron is hot. Ganun na ganun yung pagkakasabi niya sa akin. Kasi ang pag-aartista, sabi nga niya, it's seasonal. So habang gustong-gusto ka ng tao, na ikaw yung gusto nilang nakikita, habang andyan yung mga oportunidad, andyan ka to grab it. Grab lang ng grab hanggat kaya. And andito si Ana to support your energy, your wellness, di ba? Yung cells natin, mas napaproteksyonan. Kaya kahit sobrang busy, still glowing, fresh, and energetic pa rin.
Yung yun yung parang, tawag ito, strength ba? Parang tawag yan, nababaliw na ako. Diba? Kasi hindi natulog. Yun yung parang will ko, drive ko to just finish the day, you know? Kasi I have Annalie with me.
Anong pakiramdam na, yung last question ko was, anong pakiramdam na ngayon mas malaki na yung responsibilidad mo to empower women, to influence them to be more beautiful beyond the physical beauty?
Honestly, I feel more grounded and more connected with the people. It's important for me to realize now, even if there's glitz and glamour behind my industry, I know that in my core, within my core, I'm still the same Shuvi. I'm gonna be the same Shuvi forever. So yun lang, kailangan ko lang talagang intindihin na connected na ako ngayon sa mga tao and I'm inspiring them. And I inspire people, and to be able to inspire other people, it gives me strength na ilaban pa kung may star na ako ngayon, lalaki at lalaki pa yung star na to para mas marami at marami pa ako ngayon inspire. Kung 17.
Grabe.
Personalized Shuvi. I would like to ask Miss Ana, of course. You mentioned earlier na choosing ambassador na make sure mo nag-a-align yung vision and mission ng company and then the brand ambassador. So anong nakita mo kay Shuvi or any characteristic ni Shuvi na na napakuha ng loob mo na siya na talaga ang first ever ambassador?
She's very real. She's authentic. Hindi siya takot na ipakita kung sino yung sarili niya. And somehow, nakarelate din ako sa kanya. Because me being a brand owner, di ba, nakilala niyo si Luxlim, nakilala niyo si Luxkin na una ako ang nagpo-promote nito sa mga tao bago ko makakuha ng mga endorsers, influencers. Kailangan maipakita sa tao or para masuportahan ka ng tao is you have to sell your values, not just your product. And yun yung nakita ko kay Shuvi. Yung siya bilang tao, bilang babae, and bilang kung ano siya, na kahit andito na siya sa taas, still sobrang grounded pa rin niya. And again, it reminds me of who I am.
Thank you. And I would like to ask po, kasi curious lang ako, of course, syempre, na have you ever business or a product like this even before?
Hindi. Sabi ko nga kanina sa speech ko, never in my wildest dream. Naging medrep ako, yes, pero hindi ko naisip na someday, magiging owner pala ako ng isang pharma company. So, hindi talaga. At saka, ganun magtrabaho si Lord. Ganun ka na i-surprise na hindi mo alam kung ano yung mangyayari in the future. Sobrang amazing. Kaya pag dumating sa inyo yung oportunidad na biglang may kumatok, biglang andyan, try to grab it. Kasi hindi mo masasabi, baka ayan pala talaga yung linya mo. Imagine, I'm an engineering by profession, engineering course yung tinake ko, pero saan ako napunta? Diba? Into business, tapos naging into pharma na.
Thank you. You're only redirected. Redirected? Of course. But Shubi naman, when they offered you to become the first ever ambassador.
Again, it feels surreal nung sinabi sa akin na ako yung first nilang celebrity ambassador kasi vitamins really for me, I don't take it because I just take it. I take it because of a purpose. And not just, I know that this is a movement, right? Pero I know kasi na Ana E will not just make me beautiful, it's gonna make me confident with myself. So, alam mo yung may lakas ako all throughout the day, and it feels nice. I'm really, really happy and really, really grateful kung alam mo lang this, Ana. Sobrang masaya po ang puso ko na kasama po ako sa family ng Ana E. Kasi I want to inspire younger kids, especially the Morenas out there na you can be beautiful even if you're Morena. You are beautiful. It's not about your skin complexion. It's about how you see yourself. And Ana E will make you realize your worth.
Thank you. Gandang powerful. So how do you explain gandang powerful to a young children?
Young woman or to the young generation who's watching right now, I do feel like gandang powerful will, paano ko ba ito sasabihin? Ang dami kasing bata talaga na nanonood sa akin, pero even to my fans out there, or kahit hindi ko fans, kahit nanonood ka lang ngayon, if you're a woman who has big dreams and who's striving to be the best version of yourself, I just want you to know na you'll start small. You'll start within yourself. You'll start figuring out yourself, but once you figure it out, once you start embracing who you truly are, not really changing, doesn't mean that you need to be somebody else who you compare yourself to be. For example, there's social media out there. You can always compare yourself to that certain standard of beauty. Hindi mo kailangan i-compare. You just need to embrace. Ask yourself, assess within yourself, what makes me beautiful? What makes me confident? And once you answer all of those questions, you'll feel confident more. As long as you believe and you truly feel that you're beautiful, then you can just be beautiful. And huwag kang magpa-apekto sa pressure ng buong mundo. Maganda ka, basta importante, lagyan mo rin yung utak, ganun. Tapos, aside from that, you need to invest with your own selves. Ang daming paraan para maging maganda, pero it starts with humility. It starts within your heart, and it will just radiate outside.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Wow, we've been getting a lot of good answers O di ba, kinailangan mo talaga ng Ana E for all of those questions, Shuvi, right? But it only drills even more why Shuvi has been really chosen by the Ana E family, why she's the endorser. Talagang kaya-kaya niyang i-power through ang lahat ng mga sagot with so much sense and purpose. So are there any other questions from our friends from the media? Yes,
Yeah,
please,
hello.
go ahead.
Hi, I'm Carlos Aragon from Lionheart TV. And for Miss, congratulations, Shubi and Miss Ana. Miss Ana, nakilala na kita before or dahil nga online seller naman ako dati. Kasama ko si Miss Karen Casil. Marami ng ganito sa market. Ano nga ba or ano yung kakaiba sa Ana E?
Siguro what makes Ana E different or unique is that pangalan ko siya. Kidding aside, so we all know that vitamin E is a beauty vitamin. But with Ana E kasi, we encourage parang it's a movement for everyone, especially for every Filipina, to make you feel more beautiful, not just in the outside, but within you, plus making you more powerful. So yung feeling na pag ininom mo siya, is hindi ka lang feeling maganda and glowing, but you will feel empowered. Na kahit na bilang ako, as a mom, as a wife, as an entrepreneur, with those late nights, lagi kang pagod, puyat, ang dami mong stress, ang dami mong pressure sa buhay. But still you chose to glow daily. Mas pinipili natin na bumangon sa lahat ng mga pagkakamali na yon, pero gandang powerful pa rin. So, this is not just a simple vitamin na, oh, i-take mo yan, inumin mo yan, gaganda ka, mag-glow ka. But I want everybody to feel na, again, nasa confidence natin lahat din yan. Tayo rin mismo ang nagdadala ng sarili natin kahit gaano pa kalala ang problema na dinadala natin.
Yeah. Question lang. Yung Ana iba is first choice mo or meron ka pang ibang choice?
Actually, yung Ana E talaga is choice ng supplier yan. Sila yung nagsabi. Sabi ko, ha? Hindi kaya mabash ako dyan? So parang nasa isip ko talaga is like, baka mamaya magawa ng meme. Medyo negative yung dating sa akin sa una. But then they explained to me why Ana E, bakit gusto nila. Because it embodies mismo ako eh. Parang it represents me and being the first product of Philox Pharmaceutical, which is, again, sabi ko nga, this is very special and close to my heart because dati akong bedridden. So sabi ko, oo nga no. So why not? Bakit hindi? And syempre para ilagay ko yung sarili kong pangalan dun sa isang produkto, kailangan ako mismo naniniwala talaga ako dun sa galing ng produkto.
Yeah. And for Shuvi, ask ko lang, paano ka napa-oo ni Miss Ana magkawas dito sa endorsement na to? Or nung in-offer ba sa'yo to, nag-oo ka kaagad dahil may kakaiba sa product na ito?
Ako talaga, I saw Miss Ana, I was, okay, pwede ba sabihin? Ayun, sa loob ng bahay, di ba, we were drinking her coffee, lahat ng mga iniinom namin doon. I feel like, sa loob ng bahay, nakita ko si Miss Ana doon and I was always a fan of her. I always see her. Sobrang galing niya mag-content. Alam yung, mas magaling pa siya gumawa ng content sa akin at mas masipag pa siya gumawa ng content sa akin. Na nai-inspire ko as content creator myself. Parang, grabe si Miss Ana, CEO na siya, pero gawa pa rin siya ng gawa ng contents. Parang saan galing? Saan galing yung lakas? Saan galing yung pagod siya pero kaya niyang gumawa ng mga videos na to kasi it's really hard to make content, especially when you're also battling with your own struggles. Marami ka ding events, marami kang ginagawa, pero how do you do contents every single day na nagiging natural na siya sa'yo? So parang I'm a fan of Miss Ana herself. So the story of the brand, how she formulated it with such passion, with such dedication, it makes me inspired na I want to support Miss Ana. It's like it's the whole purpose of this brand. Like, you know, women supporting women. Like, it's an empowerment, it's a movement for us women to feel confident with ourselves. So yun yung reason ko kung bakit po ako napauwi.
Yes, congratulations. And for my last question, sinabi na nga ni Shuvi na nakikita niya to or iniinom niya yung product mo, Miss Ana. Aasahan ba namin na makapasok din to sa bahay ni Kuya?
Nasa loob siya ng bahay ni Kuya. Actually, sa season... this one!
Yes, dahil
Oo, akala ko yung
mag-open
Lost
na.
Oo, mag-open na. Well, si Laxlin ang babalik sa bahay ni Kuya.
Oh.
But why not? Baka sa susunod.
Yeah, marami kasing
sa
na-
next season.
Yes, maraming nagkagusto sa product mo ng mga housemate. Yun lang.
Yes.
Congratulations.
And Ana E kasi is, hindi siya pwede for teens 18 and above.
yeah.
Si Ana E.
Okay, yes. Buti na linawan na. Thank you so much po and congratulations, Shuvi and
Thank you
Miss
po.
Ana.
Thank you so much. We got a lot of very gracious
Thank you so much, my love.
media partners. Thank you for all of your questions. Meron pa kung gusto ko